then the RFB is just a bid.
Yep, it's a bid with information for bid. You may see IFB. A request for quote, RFQ can also be a bid package, but most of the time you see it as an IFB or something. That's just a bid package. So they won't have a proposal or bid format, because they're giving you what they want. So just like in this one, they're giving you those worksheets basically to fill out, or the documents to fill out. That is what you submit. There's no additional. So you won't. So to answer your question, no, you will not see a proposal or bid format in a bid.
Right. That was it. That was the question. Okay. I was wondering if maybe someone might say, hey, look, even though it's a bid, this is the format that it needs to be in. I thought somebody might say that, but you said,
I mean, they could, but it won't be like this, but they'll have a list of documents that are already in order, and they'll put the list. But it's not going to be bid format. It's just going to be A, B, C, D, these forms.
Right.
They're